everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade macaroni and cheese from scratch. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to use the dish you're going to bake it in, and you want to fill that dish a third full. So I've already put the noodles in a third full, and then you're going to pour them into the pot and let them boil according to the directions on your macaroni box. And so we're gonna put them in the pot of boiling water and let them boil for 10 minutes. Then we'll come back and put this mac and cheese together and bake it. So I've poured the macaroni in and I'm gonna let it come back to a boil. Then I will set the timer for 10 minutes. Okay, so the timer has gone off on the noodles, so we're gonna drain them, and then we will begin to layer our macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of butter in the noodles so they won't stick. We'll get them moistened up really quick. I'm gonna bathe the noodles in sour cream. Okay, now I'm gonna put half of the noodles in here. And I'm gonna put sharp cheddar cheese, it's already shredded, on top. Pour the rest of the noodles on top. Now more cheese. Now I'm going to put in about a 1/4 cup of milk. It'll sink down to the bottom. Gonna put this in the oven and let it bake at 350 for about 35 to 45 minutes. We'll see how it's looking. The oven was already preheated, so it's good to go. Let's take a look at this yummy mac and cheese. Ooh, that's looking so good. I can't wait to have some of this with my lunch. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. God bless. Bye.